Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable and implement the security for your Filestack API requests. Our application is already able to upload photos, videos, and documents, and check those files using the Filestack CDN. But what about the security? We don't want anyone to have access to our sensitive files through the CDN, or allow external people to upload files in our Filestack account if for some reason they get access to our API key. Fortunately, Filestack has already solved that problem, and you can easily implement security in your Filestack account. To enable Filestack security, you just need to go to your developer portal and enable the security toggle in your security panel. This will authenticate requests by checking a policy string signed by your secret key. And now, we want to generate policies and signatures from our backend. So I've created a security file and import the crack.js library to hash the signature. First, we'll create an array with all the actions allowed for this policy. We are going to generate this array from the developer portal, and here we are going to allow pick, read, convert, store, and run workflow. Now, just need to copy it and paste it into my code. Then we'll create an expiration date for this policy, which in this case will be in 1 hour from the time it's generated. With this data, we'll create our JSON policy object and encode it as base64 string. Next, we'll create the signature by signing the policy with the secret key. Finally, we return the client's options object with the policy and signature we just created. Now, let's check this request using Postman. And here's it. We are now able to generate our policy and signature. So let's use this from our front end. And now, we won't be able to upload files or visualize them through the CDN. The reason why these sanctions may not work is that we need to add a security policy and signature. So here, I have created a function that will call our request and get our policy and signature. Once this is done, I will get this data in our openPicker function to allow all our users to actually upload their files. Once we have the necessary data, we will initialize the picker with our API key and, additionally, our security data. And just like that, our picker is already working again. But now it will only work in my application. But that's not all. We also need to fix the URL of our file. To do this, I will first get my security params once I click my Check Curriculum button. And then I will add the security policy and signature to the URL. Just adding the word security and adding my policy and also my signature. And that's it. If we try this in our app, it will be working again. And finally, we are going to modify the URLs from the company's portal. For this, I have created a function that will get the security params and join the URL, the security params, and the file handler. And that's it. We have finally finished implementing the security into our application.